Hi, I'm Kerri Lawless, and today I'm here in Mandeville on a half-acre lot. I have a charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home to show you. Lots of curb appeal from the street. You're gonna love this home. Let's go on in and check it out. As we walk in the front door of this home, the first thing that I see that I love so much is this very tall vaulted ceiling over the entry. There's a big window up there and it lets natural light just flood this space. Then as we come in, we're met with a beautiful focal point of a fireplace. This room is just lovely, and there's even a cathedral ceiling in this part of the room. Now, another thing that's really fantastic about this house is that the dining is completely open to the living. There are windows all the way around, lots and lots of natural light. Let's go head into the kitchen. This kitchen is so charming. There's lots of countertop space all the way around this room. And this part of the countertop can even double as an eat-in kitchen bar area. There's room for 2 bar stools here, so that makes it even nicer. The other thing I really love is this window right here. You're looking right out into nature, and it's very, very charming. Also, lots of natural light flooding in. And then also conveniently located right off the kitchen is a nice sized laundry room, and then the door to the outside. All right, let's check out the bedrooms. As we walk through the living room, we come on into this hallway, and here are where the bedrooms are. So this is the first of the 3 bedrooms, and as you can see, it's a really nice size. It has 2 windows here, really helping with that natural light. Let's check out the second one. Next down the hall is the 2nd bedroom, and it's a very similar size, very cozy, but still spacious. All right, let's check out the hall bath. Right here in the hallway is the guest and shared bath. And so we have a tub shower combination. Everything is neutral colors. And then behind here, we even have an extra little space to put shelves. So nice and spacious, room for extra storage. Let's check out the primary. Now we're at the end of the hall, and I love this room for several reasons. First of all, the cathedral ceiling, it's fantastic. It really helps the spacious feel of the room. And then we have the French doors with the full glass, letting so much natural light flood in. And there's even an additional window on this wall. It just feels great in here. Now, another thing to love about this room is the closet. Look how big it is. There's hanging all the way around, and look how deep. It just goes on. And there's even a safe. Let's check out the ensuite. This bathroom really has everything. So there's a lot of space here for the vanity. There is a separate stand-up shower and a nice deep soaking tub. Again, super spacious, light, bright, and airy, but let's go check out the yard. One of my absolute favorite things about this home is the outdoor space. To be on a half an acre right in the middle of Mandeville, you feel like you're in the country, but you have all the conveniences of Mandeville right down the street. We have a 2-car garage, we have a big backyard all the way to that fence, and then there's yard all behind the house this way. Lots of room to spread out. This house is a true gem. Make your appointment today. My name is Kerri Lawless.